Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a bird that loves to eat paddy. The white-rumped munia. The white-rumped munia or white-rumped mannikin, sometimes called striated finch, is a small passerine bird. It is native to tropical continental Asia and some adjacent islands, and has been naturalized in some parts of Japan. It has a blackish-brown head and back with pure white underparts and rump. Its back is finely streaked with pale shaft. Found in a variety of open landscapes, including grasslands, shrubby open country, forest edges, thickets, plantations, village gardens, agricultural fields, and sometimes towns and cities. Their calls are like locally named Nithamba Sudu Wee Kurulla. I have seen the white-rumped munia once at Welllawaya. As said, white-rumped munia loves to eat paddy. And there was a giant paddy field next to the hotel we stayed. And during our walks at the paddy field, we saw a white-rumped munia. And in most paddy fields, you see scarecrows. Scarecrows are there to chase away crows and munias.